Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 is leaking from the bottom when cooking, it can be quite concerning. This issue often arises due to a worn-out seal or gasket, which can lead to further damage if not addressed promptly. Ignoring this problem could result in electrical faults or even a complete malfunction of your device, so it's best to tackle it sooner rather than later. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement gasket, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a pair of tweezers. To start, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged. Carefully remove the base cover by unscrewing the screws located at the corners. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the cover is off, you should be able to see the inner workings of the machine. Look for the gasket around the mixing bowl area. This is typically where leaks originate. To extract the faulty gasket, gently pull it away using the tweezers. If it seems stuck, use your fingers to loosen it without applying too much force, as this could damage adjacent components. Now, take your new gasket and align it properly in the designated groove. Press it in firmly, ensuring there are no gaps. After replacing the gasket, reattach the base cover by aligning it correctly and tightening the screws just enough to secure it without overdoing it. Remember to double-check all connections and ensure no wires are pinched or at risk of damage during reassembly. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and run a short test by filling it with water and checking for leaks. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you regularly check and clean the gaskets and seals. Avoid using the device at extreme temperatures and always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for maintenance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.